Alright, Trevor Coakley here. About an I-25. It is closed way down yonder. People thought it was a good idea to take the on-ramp to get off of the highway. Because, well, yeah, the people are, what is going on? I don't know what's going on. I-25 is chaotic in Colorado Springs. Obviously, do not drive. Some shenanigans are going down. And what are you doing, dude? Alright. Whoa. Okay. Well. Apparently somebody didn't get the message. Wow. Alright, Trevor Coakley here. Yeah, we're stuck in standstill traffic on I-25. There's quite a brutal blizzard, one of the worst I've seen in a while, obviously. Minus the hair in my mouth. I've decided to break into my first ration, which is a bunch of Pop-Tarts. Because, well, I knew, I've got a Pop-Tart between the seat. Because I knew maybe I'd get stuck out here. Just maybe. So, yeah, emergency ration number one. It's gonna be in my belly while I wait in this traffic. Yeah, Trevor out. Hi sir, how you doing?
Hey, I'm doing good. How you doing?
I'm doing alright.
All right, did they already talk to you?
Not quite, I don't know what's going on yet.
Okay, so we're flipping everyone around. You're gonna go down to the Woodman on-ramp.
Okay.
And you're gonna get off. Then from there, you're gonna take a right onto westbound Woodman.
Okay.
We have temporary shelter set up at Woodman Valley Chapel, which is on the right-hand side.
Okay.
Or there's some hotels and stuff down corporate, so